Welcome! In front of me I have ZEBLAZE Beyond, and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. First thing we need to do is to turn on our watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the side button. Keep holding it until you see the ZEBLAZE logo on the screen. After the watch turns on, you may see the QR code on the screen. It means we need to download and install the F-Fit application on our phone. So, make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, open the Google Play Store. In the store, tap on search and type in F-Fit, and then tap on the search button. And you should see this application, F-Fit. Tap on it, tap on the install, and wait until the application is done installing. And after the application is done installing, you can tap on the open button to open it. In the app, tap on a box right here, then tap on agree. And here we can log in into a F-Fit account, or you can use the visitor login if you want to. But if you want to keep your data, something for example like training data, I would assume like heart rate data and stuff like that, sleep data, you will need to make an account if you want to keep the data like that. If you don't care about that and you just want to use the app, you can tap on visitor login and you will be able to use the app without logging in. But if you remove the app from your phone, you will lose the data. So pick your poison. I'm just gonna use the visitor login, but you can log in if you want. No, we need to check the box first, then visitor login. Here we need to set up the profile. Like that, then tap on carry out. Then select the skin color and tap on carry out. And check your, or rather set your moving target, tap on determine. Then sleep target and determine. You can allow or deny the permission for the camera if you want to. I'm just gonna allow it for the while using the app, then the location. Of course, you can deny these permissions, you don't need to allow them. So for example, we can deny the rest of them, like that. But the app will bother you about them. As you can see, it's gonna be bothering you. But you can keep them denied if you want to. Okay, and once you're done with the permissions, you should see the data page by default. Now you can tap on device, tap on the icon right here, tap on determine, allow the required permission, and the app should start looking for the nearby devices, and it should detect your Beyond watch. Tap on it to select it, tap on OK to confirm on the watch, and after a couple of seconds the devices will be connected. You can update the AGPS data if you want to. Okay, and it's done. And I guess that's about it. That's how you connect, or rather pair this watch with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.